أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal, and we are going to start one another dua when the person enters the toilet. So which dua you have to read, so that inshallah we will learn today in this tutorial. So let us start now. Okay, now here you can see when the person enters the toilet, he should put his left foot first and recite this dua, right? Every time when you enter to the toilet, so you have to put your left foot first in the toilet, and your right foot should be uh, to the outside of the toilet, right? This is you have to do every time, and then say this dua. You should repeat after me. Allahumma, Allahumma inni, inni. We are making nasal sound on the noon because the rule is that whenever noon and meme have the shadda sign, or like a W shape, this sign you are looking here, so at that time we make nasal sound, so the sound goes into our nose, and then we hold the sound of noon or meme into nose for a while, for 1 second, right? We say again, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika, a'udhu bika is a mother letter here. The waw has a sukoon sign on it, and the dhamma is on the before letter. That's why we long it for 1 second. We say again, a'udhu bika, a'udhu bika minal khubuthi, minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith, right? You have to long here 3 to 5 seconds. Almost we long 3 seconds because this is the big mud, right? In the end, the tha, whenever you say tha, so little bit there is flowing sound, is, right? Like that. Now we say again, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika, a'udhu bika minal khubuthi. The green letters every time read in bold sound. Minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith. I hope you'll understand everything. If you have any kind of question or you didn't understand anything, you can ask anytime from me by messaging under this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe the channel and keep watching and stay tuned. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.